this is a airbag clock spring out of a 2004 Chevy Silverado. Mine got broken into, and the thieves failed to steal my truck, but destroyed the steering column in the process. So I went to the salvage yard, got a new steering column, replaced it. They broke the airbag. What do you call this thing again? Clock spring. The airbag clock spring. So I made one clock spring out of two. But I didn't set the tape correctly, the ribbon in here. So it's not lining up the way it needs to. So I need to take it back apart, pick, release those clips, and it'll open up. So this is going to be a bit of trial and error till I get it right. This is what it's supposed to look like after you follow those directions. Rotate coil clockwise until focus. Yeah, so you follow those directions right there. If you have the GM airbag thingy. Good God, Lord help me. But yeah, you follow those directions, and it's supposed to line up like this with those two arrows and the yellow in the window. But this took like 4 or 5 turns to get there, so that's wrong. I gotta open it back up and fix the tape. See if I can show you that. So this is the inside of the airbag thingy. Lord, what's wrong with me? But yeah, see how that tape doubles back? I got it doubling back. I guess it doubles back off of this one here instead of the yellow little roller thingy there. So I'm gonna try that and see if that works out. So when you take this apart, obviously it winds one way on the white spool there, and then it doubles back in the opposite direction. It's supposed to go all the way around the rollers here. Then when you put it back together, and then you follow the directions, and everything should line up. So I'm gonna try that now. Okay, sorry for I'm only working with one hand here trying to hold this thing together. But that's what I meant. Take that ribbon off the yellow roller and move over here where this roller is with that notch there. So now I'm gonna put it back together. It just snaps back together. It's not rocket science. That slides into the other end of the, I wish I could show you, but if you do this, you'll see it, you'll get it. It's not rocket science.